Hi everybody, welcome to my backyard. Today I wanted to share with you some summertime grilling. Instead of throwing meats onto the grill like our hot dogs, burgers, and ribs, I'm going to show you today some other healthy things we can throw onto the grill. So we're going to do some skewers of some peppers, some onions. I'm going to throw some grape tomatoes on there. You can throw on whatever you like. Then we're going to do some heads of romaine that are grilled. One of my favorite salads used to get at a restaurant in Center City. And then we're going to make some pizzas. Yes, you can grill off pizzas, but we're going to use portobello mushroom tops for those. So what I've done is I've already cut up my vegetables. Now when you're putting them onto these skewers, you want to use maybe something to lock it in at the end and the top. So what I use to kind of lock all these vegetables in is going to be the purple onions. Now, all we need to do to roast off these vegetables or grill them off is a little olive oil. Simple. So I'm going to get these started. So for the portobellos, I've already washed them off. We're just going to take the portobellos, we're going to flip it to have the gill side down, and then drizzle on some olive oil on top. So they're going to sit on the grill for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to flip it over, let them cook again for another 5 minutes, drizzling oil into the gill side. Now we're going to get to the romaine. And you're just going to cut it in half. And then we're going to drizzle on, again, some olive oil. Now the lettuce only takes 3 minutes per side. So it looks like everything's done, so now we're going to plate it up and just add some more flavor to these vegetables. For the romaine, there's not much that we need to do. It's just maybe a little bit of salt, same for the skewers, and then a little bit of black pepper. Now, this romaine, you could add so many different things on top. I'm gonna add on some shaved Parmesan. I also got hemp seeds that we could sprinkle on top. For the skewers, I made a garlic and herb sauce. It smells so good with the garlic. Finish off with these portobello pizzas. Today, I'm going to do a little pesto on top instead of the tomato sauce that we do on our normal pizzas. And I'm going to add a little bit of prosciutto and some mozzarella. And then the exciting part, our final product. I hope when you have a grilling event this summer, it looks this colorful versus all the meats that you throw onto the grill. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.